Yeah, hello.
Okay, it's very clear now. Me say, on the NDC no na ediebe bo mu se enia baako during 2016. I don't know man me who now. Yeah, I've seen some things before God and man. Me wa na obi the screenshot ama me. It may be crime say wo frame me now wo US. E ma wo frame me wo say wo hu caption bi mistress. And I'm a catcher say me can come a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I'm a catcher or call. No. Yes, I remember. And I'll say me bune from TNT. Funny serious. I remember. Come number screenshots in Brano. On the Instagram, maybe you see more than one account. Yeah, na picture be that Yes, and be another dear or control papa account. No. Me, say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. So I say, I'm doing a Miss Bell, and all these while, all you me say now we all supporting because the capital not the amount. Now I can't natural, and I can't say, me chaso. Then I'm saying no, me chaso because I did not Miss Bell, also or the Sunday will hear it. So you want, or men are what between the idea with you. Meanwhile, the message between you and Miss Bella, one me phone, so Miss Bella me the Pierre Bontia, and some I be babano, and your papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying, no, Miss Bella is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on, because the Eshika is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning, so I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got a Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him at the end, so they bro, funky, they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you can't try and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight. Say, I didn't
screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
On
the phone, so. Okay. All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, natural cash and I can't have it. So I said, say no. It's not funny.
Mahama, I catch me managing an account.
And you're on a kayo. Me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now, see, I feel send me by a call text saying, someone for say, Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing. You saw it
on his phone.
I saw it myself. Say, picture. No, they are sending. No, the caption. I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, any problem until I'm my friend. Editing now. What edited the sending? Or say, and you do the I did sending. Say, you see, he's so good in bed. Blah blah blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's a mommy friend blogger because obey me edit to be captions. So before the mommy who yana me busan and went to me denied him. All he said was yenchaso. Now on one Emma Woye. And I was like, I don't care. But I don't know, editing me near my bro. Or I tell no the bro. You even want him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm off to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. The hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say channel. I have everything. You know, they say me what evidence on my phone 100% and I'm my friend. About 2,000, and I'll say a be a 500, and a be 1,000, a be 200. Into friends coming so. It's manufacturers are. Let's say them after Mr. Miss Bill. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. Really, I even viewed the number in the chat, and I mean say you even came out to say or you run the channel, and I say oh hospital bill, but only been to about and I saw it on the phone to say I'll send you 2,000 now officer. And I say oh outside the country about the bigger woman. And I buy my friends 5K and I'll done I say on Saturday scan 5K than I say. I say oh I have them. So the reason why I called you, you can send it to him and you're my friend. But Miss Rowe, everything Miss Rowe, I don't know what you are going through, so yes, sir. I will not blame you. Me I cry. My phone said Mrs. Papeni. Me can say it. But we do not go to the Rowe. Politics na emi ni yakoye ye. Me ta chome ntimi enye oboni. E maybe I will friend me call to me for say. Me say if I'm very careful with me nkomo bi. I'm free with her. What to say? What customer come ask my training that? I don't do that. Because who come ask man and can one frame in class ask them in me. If you don't mean I wasn't the damn hustle. So I beg you in the name of God. You get more money on campaign. But we trace in the editor now the man on the day. Please. You know baby I would call. Apart from papa, minimum I will send them all. And what's over for my whole time? Yes, Bill. Minute I will you. Listen, I will be messages me 8080, number 8080. Messages I the money nah. I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to because I mean Hassan could be denied, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say about all according in your sending. I saw everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think that you just want me to know that you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
You're saying I
about I saw everything.
Everything.
I
don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and all that. I don't think it's necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you?
No,
it's like,
if you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you only want to say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi, fini baby Audi ko. And I'm maybe so say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.
Too much GH. Me did go say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for. Ahwe for. Etie for. Onipa bia won subscribe e wo too much GH no. Subscribe wo na ehintasem. And some ebuafa on my Ghana so and I de bremo. One God in ye, the only one God in GH. A ho and a de a meshe. Abroche for any Ghana for more movie yourself and na me recommend Emamo. Too much GH.